Okay, in today's video we're going to take a look at a setup that I looked at a few weeks ago, and it is starting to play out. So at this moment you would be late to the party, but let me explain that the party is probably not over. So one of the things that I was watching in VRTX on a weekly chart was that the most recent decline was very similar to some of these prior declines. So this one was 32.47, this was 31.36, this is 32.27, this is 31.90. So you can see that there's a lot of similar swings there. That's what gave me part of the support decision at this 144 to 145.88 area. And I know that if the chart pattern on this time frame continues to play out, that our potential upside target is going to be a 1272 extension of the swing into the zone. Okay, in the past we've had pullbacks like that. You got a nice upswing, 41 bucks. Here there was a pullback. That was a huge upswing, you know, and so on. So that's what I'm looking at. I know that I don't want you to, at this moment in time, you know, buy it here and risk to under 144, but there are ways that you can get involved with options where, you know, the risk is not going to be ridiculous. And let's take a look at what is in the way of this playing out, and I'll show you what we need to clear. So as far as you know, the support, yeah, we held great. You know, we did shift patterns over here where you took out a prior swing high and all that good stuff. That is some of what we wanted to see off of that low. But now just be aware that if you take 100% of these two prior, well, actually these two prior rally swings and project them from the low, there are a couple areas that we are going to need to push through to continue to play out towards, you know, a higher target. The first one comes in with a 618 retracement of the prior swing. That overlaps symmetry, 158.35 to 159.30. And then the other area includes the larger prior rally, plus a 786 retracement of one swing and a 50% of another. So those are the areas that we need to push through if we are indeed going to continue to rally from here. Now typically I'm going to tell you that you want to buy on a pullback. So at this point you can really only do that on a micro micro chart. So, you know, maybe on a 15-minute chart you'd be able to set up a pullback and then define your risk underneath the pullback, or either the pullback support or underneath the prior swing low, because we don't, like I said, want to risk to underneath here, because this is where the trade setup started. Now we're going to be just looking at secondary entries. We're going to get excited about it only if we can start to push through this resistance.